Hey, LordEddington here, and well, today we're gonna see how easy it is to run a Minecraft server. I thought it might be a cool idea to try out, especially if I'm living in quarantine right now, because I can't go to the pound shop or anywhere else to do Top Cool Cheap Gadgets or whatever my series is called. Yeah. So I guess the first thing to do, I'll raise my hand, is to find a likely specimen to run the server on. Which, I'll go grab. I'll be right back. One momento. I'm back and I have a likely specimen to do some stuff to. Introducing, yeah, zoom out on the camera here. This thing, the great Lenovo ThinkCentre. Okay, my old PC. Until I didn't buy it, but until I got gifted an iMac and then it all went a bit weird. Anyway, so yeah, this is what we're going to be using. It's got a Core i8 400, the legendary one. Still works today for some strange reason, and my cat is here. Cat Ozzy, what are you doing? Oh. So let's get this plugged in. Well, we need a monitor. Oh, we need to see stuff. The Ferrari monitor. Oh, it is me. Yeah, this really cool old monitor that I have, and I think I showed in a previous video. It might have been on one of the old pound shop days when oh yeah, I was cleaning it with this stuff from the pound shop. That's right. Yeah. Let me grab some cables and plug it in. We'll be back. Oh yeah. This is a GT710 Nvidia card. Just because the onboard graphics are absolute trash. Could use DVI, but I don't have DVI cable on me right now. So we're just gonna use plain old VGA because it always works. Oh my god! Apple power cable. Naughty. Don't do that. Now I'll go plug this thingy, Bobby. I gotta turn on the monitor. Here comes one. Hey. DVI. No. Oh, frick. Is this the one? Oh, thank God. VGA. Alright. You know what we're doing now? Smoke test! Oh! It's gonna work. Hey! Yeah! Frick, I didn't plug in a keyboard! No! Hey guys, guess what? I got a keyboard! Yay! What the hell? What's going on here? See, initially established PXE? What? No references found? Well, yeah, because it's booting off the network. I have no boot server on my network. I'll have to have one, but... Alright, we got keyboard and a fancy James Donkey mouse. And it's still doing this thing. Hey, I want to change it to startup sequence, and then we want hang on a moment. What the frick's the SSD? I put an SSD in this. So I took it out. Exclusive preview inside the mighty ThinkCentre. Oh, you can see the GT710 here too. Right, gotta plug in a CD. There you go. CD power. In we go. I don't really have any special caddy for the SSD to go in, but with the big fat hard drive one, so. Right, I want to see a Windows 10 logo appear on that screen, otherwise I'm going to be pissed. Come on. Hey! Wow, it's like I already prepared it or something. Oh yeah, I did it like ages ago. What sort of resolution is this? Looky here, everyone. There's a problem. Hey, now it's so nice and stuff. I believe it's in. You gotta go to the Mojang website in it and stuff. So we gotta go to Minecraft server. Oh frick! Saying something. Before you continue, please consistent to data protection laws. Right, so we have two choices. We have the normal Java one, the bedrock one. It's still in alpha. Well, I guess most people are probably playing bedrock now because it's on all the consoles and stuff. So let's go there. Wow, perfect. Thank you. Alright, so we got some stuff. New WinRAR zip archive. Oh. Well, I'll be back when this completes. Well, that extracted, yeah. What I think you do is launch this, and it's supposed to be just works. What? Windows Defender Smart Screen is preventing. I'll recognize that from starting. Yeah. Oh. Oh shit. Stay tuned for part 2 of this video. If you don't, LordEddington may get a virus. Or if you do, we may make a successful Minecraft server. But anyway, subscribe and like the video. Otherwise I'll come for your house next time and grab your mum by the neck. Yeah, I'm just kidding. Bye bye.